Hello at home, I'm Allison and we are together for a really quick core workout. You're not going to need anything other than a little space and the willingness to move. Let's go ahead and start laying on our back. We're going to have our legs bent as though we're going to do a sit-up. Don't worry, we're not jumping right into sit-ups. From here, all I want you to do is take a big breath in, all the way out. 2 more like that. Let's just settle into the movement we're about to do. Big breath in, all the way out. Last time, big breath in, all the way out. Good, go ahead and tilt your pelvis back. So you're gonna flatten your back. There's no space for you to put your fingertips, and then arch, and now I can stick my whole hand under there. And flatten, good, and arch. So we're just rocking the pelvis back and forth, just opening up the low back a little bit. Sometimes it gets kind of scrunched when we spend a lot of time seated. Good, 1 or 2 more in each direction. Awesome, last one. Beautiful. Now I want you to find neutral, which means you're in between those 2 extremes. You can maybe get like a couple fingers under there, but you definitely can't get the whole hand underneath. From here, we're gonna take our hands behind our head. We're going to find a spot up on the ceiling, the sky, whatever you're looking at today. We're gonna think about pulling those abs in and up, and we're crunching up towards that ceiling and back down. Just bringing those shoulders up a few inches and back down a few inches. But I'm initiating it from the core. I'm not initiating it from the neck, all right? We're gonna go for 15 of these, and that's 5, so we've got 10 more to go. How we doing? You've got 6 more to go. Last one here. Good. All right, let's go ahead and bring one knee up, then the other knee up into tabletop. From here, we're gonna find that spot on the ceiling we were just crunching up towards. We're gonna come up towards it. We're gonna hang out here. So just hold as you move from the hip, not the knee. So I'm gonna keep the same angle. I'm gonna drop one heel down, pull it up, then the other heel. We have 15 per side. This is challenging. If it is too much to hold yourself up, you can always lower your upper body for a minute or for the whole exercise, depending on where you're at, and just do the legs, all right? So you have options. Good, that's 5 per side. We're on our way to 15. Pull those abs in. Try really hard to not push the belly out, and instead really pull in and up, in and up, in and up. 5 more to go per side. Four, last one, 5 and 5. Both knees to tabletop. Lower the head, lower the legs. How was that? Hopefully you felt your core working. I sure know I did. Hands are behind the head. This time we're gonna crunch up towards the ceiling and then rotate to the left, back to center, down, then up, rotate to the right, center, down. Good. Keep repeating. It can be really easy to want to stop because you're feeling it. Please don't. Keep going. Try to keep those elbows out in your peripheral. Remember, I promise it's going to be quick. We're not repeating any exercises. It's gonna be over before you know it. Give me 5 more per side here. Last one on each side. Really rotate. And down. Beautiful. All right, let's flip it over. We're gonna go into what's called a bear plank. So hands are gonna be directly underneath the shoulders. We're gonna tuck our toes under. We're gonna lift our knees ever so slightly off the ground. So this is your bear plank, nice flat back. We're gonna do knee taps down. So in that bear plank position, we tap our knees down and come back up a couple inches, down and up. You're gonna feel your quads working. You're also gonna feel your abs working. We got 15 of these, and that's 6. "12, 13, 14, 15. Whew. Take a moment, roll out the wrists if you need to. That can be a little challenging on people's wrists. Good work. All right, we're now gonna go ahead and come down to a forearm side plank. I'm gonna show you 2 options. Option number 1, you're gonna have your bottom leg bent, knee in alignment with hip, okay? You're gonna lift the top leg. Option number 2, you can stack the feet and lift, all right? Here we go, we got 15 lifts. Push through the shoulder, lift at the hip. 5 more to go. 4, 3, 2, 1, and good. Got to repeat that on the other side. All right, remember, you can modify here. You can stack the legs. Either is fine as long as it's challenging for you. Keep going. And 15, nice. All right, we're on to hands and knees again. All right, from here we're gonna go into a bird dog. So that means we're extending right arm, left leg, long, push through the heel, bring it in. Other side, long, bring it in. Good. I'm not thinking about going up, we're thinking about going long. Alternating sides, 15 per side. Good, you're breathing. Trying to go as long as you can. You're gonna feel your shoulder engage, your glutes engage, your low back engage. We're still using our abs, although this exercise is more for our posterior chain. Good. 5 more on each side. Really strong through the hand that's on the ground, not collapsing. One more on each side. And bring it back to center. Spread those knees wide, feet together, and drop back into your child's pose. Walk the hands forward. 3 long, deep breaths here. Last one. Come on up, we're gonna cat-cow for a moment. So you're gonna imagine you're a scared cat. Take that big breath in. Rounding, rounding, rounding. Let it all the way out. Drop the belly, lift the head up. Good, you're like an old cow this way back. Good, breathe in. Round, 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 round. Let it out. Beautiful. Last one. I promised it'd be quick. Good. This is it. Now you can always repeat if you want. Do it again for a second or third set. Absolutely. If this is all the time you had for today, that's awesome. So proud of you for showing up, and I can't wait to see you again soon.